In today's video, we're revealing 15 Japanese machines that are quietly making people rich in 2026. Yet surprisingly, most cities around the world still aren't using them. Japan has always been ahead of the curve when it comes to compact engineering, automation, micro-industries, and labor-saving technology. But what most people don't realize is that many of these machines can be bought cheaply, require minimal training, and can create highly profitable businesses almost immediately. These aren't huge factory robots or million-dollar industrial tools. These are small, clever, genius-level inventions used by regular people in Japan: street vendors, farmers, shop owners, mechanics, and freelancers, to generate income quickly and efficiently. So let's dive into these 15 machines that could become gold mines if introduced in the right market. First on the list is the Japanese automatic rice cake maker, a compact machine capable of producing perfectly shaped mochi at lightning speed. Street food vendors in Osaka and Kyoto use it to sell hundreds of mochi per day with massive profit margins. But the machine itself is cheap and portable. In cities where mochi shops don't exist, this could easily turn into a viral business. Second is the Japanese portable car wash steam machine, a small unit that uses high-pressure steam to clean vehicles without needing a single drop of running water. In Japan, mobile cleaners make huge profits by offering eco-friendly car washes in parking lots and office complexes. Most countries have never even seen these devices, yet they allow one person to run a full car cleaning service on the go. Third is the automatic taiyaki maker, a machine that produces Japan's iconic fish-shaped cakes with efficiency and speed. A tiny street stall with one of these can serve hundreds of customers a day. And because taiyaki is still a novelty in most countries, the demand is explosive wherever it appears. Fourth is the Japanese mini excavator, famous worldwide for its compact size and incredible precision. Landscapers and contractors buy these small excavators to complete jobs that big machines can't handle: narrow alleys, small backyard projects, and delicate digging jobs. Many young entrepreneurs in Japan are earning high incomes by renting these machines hourly. Fifth is the Japanese vending machine refiller kit, a special portable tool set that allows individuals to operate and maintain vending machines independently. Japan's vending culture is massive, and these machines allow one person to manage dozens of units with minimal effort. No other country has adopted this system widely, meaning cities around the world are missing an entire industry. Sixth is the automatic sushi roll maker, a clever machine used in convenience stores and small restaurants. It produces perfect sushi rolls in seconds, allowing even non-chefs to run sushi shops profitably. In countries where sushi is popular but labor is expensive, this machine could be a gold mine. Seventh is the robotic coffee barista, a machine used in Japan's high-tech cafes that can grind, brew, and serve premium coffee without a barista. It works 24/7, never makes mistakes, and requires minimal space. Perfect for airports, malls, bus stations, and business districts. Eighth is the Japanese egg waffle machine, known for producing unique, puffy, bubble-style waffles that customers love. Vendors in Tokyo make excellent profits with mobile carts using this device, and it's barely known outside Asia. Ninth is the smart hydroponic farming system, a small indoor growing machine found in Japanese apartments. It produces vegetables year-round, and many people resell premium lettuce and herbs to local shops. These systems are cheap, easy to operate, and extremely profitable, especially in locations where fresh produce is expensive. 10th is the Japanese curry rice machine, a device used in tiny restaurants where labor costs are high. It dispenses perfectly portioned rice and curry instantly, reducing waste and boosting profits. Curry shops outside Japan rarely use this technology, yet it could dramatically improve speed and efficiency. 11th is the automatic noodle maker, a compact machine capable of preparing noodles freshly on site with minimal human involvement. Ramen shops, food carts, and small restaurants in Japan rely on these machines to keep up with demand. In countries where noodles are popular, these machines could help new restaurants open cheaply. 12th is the bike tire repair and inflation. Kiosk, a small automated station found on Japanese streets. Cyclists pay a small fee to fix flat tires or refill air, and the machine operates unattended 24/7. This type of machine could generate passive income in cities with growing bicycle culture. 13th is the Japanese potato tornado spiral cutter, a machine used to create viral street snacks. Vendors use it to slice potatoes into spirals and fry them, producing a snack that attracts huge crowds. It's cheap, fast, and highly profitable, but almost unknown outside Asia. 14th is the Japanese robotic floor cleaner for businesses. Not the home versions everyone knows, but industrial models used in malls and train stations. These machines reduce labor costs dramatically and can be rented to businesses for extremely high margins. Finally, 15th is the compact wood-splitting machine, used heavily in Japan's countryside. It's a portable device that splits firewood quickly, allowing small wood sellers to supply homes, temples, and bathhouses. This machine is perfect for rural areas worldwide where firewood is still in high demand. What makes these 15 machines so powerful is not just their engineering. It's how they enable one person to run a profitable business with minimal capital, minimal maintenance, and almost no competition. Japan's culture of compact efficiency and automation has created inventions that solve real-world problems without requiring big teams or big budgets. In many cities outside Japan, these machines simply don't exist yet, meaning early adopters could dominate their local markets. Whether it's food vending, mobile cleaning, micro-farming, automated cafes, street snacks, or small-scale construction work, each machine offers an entire business model packed into one compact, easy-to-use device. And in 2026, where labor shortages are rising and small businesses are looking for high-profit, low-effort tools, these Japanese machines are becoming the secret weapons of smart entrepreneurs. If even one of these devices enters your city before anyone else discovers it, you could build a profitable operation long before competitors catch up.